Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro Max with Visible by Verizon. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Visible by Verizon. Y'all guys have 4 color options to choose from. Y'all will have black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and the natural titanium color is not in stock right now. So yeah, so depending on what color that you guys want, it may or may not be in stock, so check periodically to see what color and to see if your just color and source option that you guys want is in stock. So yeah, the natural titanium color is out of stock completely, so do keep it in mind. So y'all have 3 storage options. I'm gonna have to go to the blue titanium to show you guys the different prices and stuff like that. So yeah, the 256, yeah. So I'm gonna get to the prices here in just a second. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's basically, it looks like the iPhone 14 Pro Max from last year, except for this one has a slightly better specs and features and stuff like that. So anyways, y'all guys have your cutout there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone, along with your action button, triple camera system down the back, camera flash, Apple logo. You have a side camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. Power button on the right side of the phone. The 4 color options there. A17 Pro chip, game changing chip, groundbreaking performance, titanium, so strong, so light, so pro. Action button, a fast track to your favorite feature, USB-C with USB 3, up to 20 times faster transfer, so that's very nice. What's in the box is your iPhone 15 Pro Max and your USB-C charging cable. Y'all guys will need a Type-C charging brick, alright? So the prices on the iPhone 15 Pro Max are listed here. So for the 256GB iPhone 15 Pro Max, that is $33.31 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, or $11.99. 512GB iPhone 15 Pro Max is $38.86 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, $13.99. 1TB iPhone 15 Pro Max is $44.42 a month for 36 months, 0% APR, $15.99. Holy shit. I suggest you guys get Furniture Century iPhone. Definitely recommend it, you know. iPhone 15 Pro Max titanium goes pro. iPhone 15 Pro Max forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and the most powerful iPhone camera system ever. It is forged in titanium, advanced display, game-changing A17 Pro chip, powerful Pro camera system, customizable action button, Pro connectivity, better safety features, designed to make a difference, and comes with the Apple Care warranty. Be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. This is a 5G compatible device running on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan and your passport is up to date. Alright. Specs: the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch display OLED. It has the ProMotion display. So basically what that means is that you can have your iPhone 15 Pro Max up to 120Hz refresh rate, so that is very cool. iPhone 15 Pro Max weighs 7.81 ounces. Dimensions: 6.29 inches width. God damn it. 6.29 inches height, 3.02 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. It takes eSIM, iOS 17 of course. 3 cameras on the back, 48 megapixel main camera with f1.78 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture. It also has a 12 megapixel telephoto camera lens on the back. I don't know why they don't mention that here, but that's kind of weird to me. It has a 12 megapixel true depth front camera with f1.9 aperture, processor A17 Pro chip with new 6-core GPU storage options like I just mentioned earlier, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, 1 terabyte battery, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, Face ID enabled by true depth camera for facial recognition, 5G obviously, sub 6 gigahertz and millimeter wave. Ramming, of course. What's in the box is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, USB-C charging cable, and your documentation. If you guys want to learn more about the iPhone 15 Pro Max, check the link below for that. Alright, so there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is now here at Best Buy by Verizon. So if you guys are looking to get like the top of the line iPhone, have all the bells and whistles, have all the features that you guys want, have everything that Apple has to offer on their iPhones this year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the phone for you because it has everything that you guys want. It has Type-C, which is needed to the iPhone 15 lineup. It has the dynamic island, of course. That's also on the that's on all the iPhones this year. It has titanium, which is, I wonder if it's scratch resistant. I'm not sure about that, but it's very cool nonetheless. It looks like a very nice phone. Great specs, great features, and the titanium just adds a bonus to that. So yeah, if you guys want like the top of the line iPhone with all the specs and features and whatnot, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the phone for you. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. Everly helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.